Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your OPPO Reno 4 Lite, at the first you have to go for the clock, then go for the alarm right here and tap on this marker to add the alarm. Set up at the first the hours and the minutes. After that we can set the name, and also we can just custom the ringtone, so we can set up the repeat like that, and we can also go for the more options when we'll be able to add to turn off and turn on the vibrate and the snooze, and also change the ringtone. After that, click save. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.